Hi there, students. To endear, a verb. Endearing, an adjective. Endearingly, your adverb. And endearment, the noun. Okay, I think I'm going to start with an endearment as a noun. An endearment is a word or a phrase that you use to show somebody that you love them. So, darling is an endearment. My love, an endearment. Okay? These are terms of endearment. The couple were whispering endearments into each other's ears. Okay, something that's endearing is something that you like. It has a quality that makes you like it or makes you like someone. She's always telling jokes, which is very endearing. She's always making jokes of things, and that's a very endearing quality. It's adorable, it's attractive, it's appealing, yeah? It's really lovely. Okay, so a person that's endearing is easily able to make people like you. He's a very endearing fellow. Okay, he's a very endearing chap. He's easy to like. He's very affable. He has many endearing qualities. Okay, and then as a verb, to endear something or someone to somebody. So his brusque and rather rude way of dealing with people does not endear him to many people. A sycophant tries to endear themselves to somebody because they want something. So he's always trying to endear himself to his boss to get on at work. His bad temper does not endear him to his co-workers. So notice, a person endears themselves to somebody, but a characteristic of a person endears it or endears a person to other people. Okay, so he endears himself to the public by being so upbeat. His upbeat attitude endears him to the public. Okay, so to endear, to cause to be liked. Yeah, his temper, his angry demeanor is not very endearing. Okay, so endearing, inspiring affection, sympathy. The child had an endearing smile, yeah, an adorable smile. It was lovely. He has such an endearing personality, attractive, pleasing, appealing, sweet, charming, cute, yeah, captivating, lovable. Okay, so he has a very endearing manner. And then you can have the opposite as well. His bad temper is very unendearing. Yeah. Okay. So something that's unendearing is something that's rather pleasant. The rather horrible smell in the restaurant was very unendearing. It doesn't endear people to go to the restaurant and eat there. Okay, so endearing, inspiring love and affection, often in a childlike way. I think cute is a good synonym of endearing. Yeah, he endearingly smiles at everybody he meets. Okay, this makes people feel endearment for him, and then that's endearment as an uncountable noun, but as a countable, a loving phrase. My sweetheart is a term of endearment. Okay, so to endear, a regular verb. He endeared himself to the public. He has endeared himself to the public. Formality. I think I'm going to give it a 6 in formality. You could just about use it in an informal conversation. It sounds a bit literary, maybe even a little bit old-fashioned and posh. Yeah, to make people like you, to make people like something. Yeah, um, mm, lovable characteristics. And then as to origin, well, N, dear. So N, in, in, and then dear, well, something that's dear is something that you love. Um, it comes from a Proto-Germanic word, diurijas, meaning dear or precious or expensive. Notice in you can call something that's expensive. It's very dear. Yeah, it's probably a bit old-fashioned. That the meal was very dear. The dearer the jewelry, the greater the love expressed. Okay, so to endear, an endearment. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. An endearment. Endearing, endearingly. To endear.